what is the most important thing to remember to successfully manage inventory in the manufacturing industry?
Well, enforcing business rules around the movement of inventory to make sure that you've got a high integrity in your data alongside optimized business processes is really fundamental to managing inventory levels. So having that real confidence in the numbers that are in the computer. Those of us who have watched Little Britain and the whole computer says no thing, right? Having actual confidence that if the computer says yes or no, then it's probably accurate. Oftentimes we see people having, the computer says one thing, but we don't really trust it. Now, they either don't trust it because the systems themselves have integrity issues, or because they're not confident that people have been putting the right information in at the right times for them to be able to believe what the system's telling them. So that confidence in the data, in the integrity of the data, is absolutely fundamental to successfully managing inventory within an ERP system.